Today, we are going to install OffGrid Nomads Overlanding shocks on a 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty 4-wheel drive. On screen is a list of tools required to do the job. These steps will also apply for similar pickup trucks. Lower the vehicle so that you can easily reach the wheel. Step 1. Remove the wheel. Please note that this may not be necessary for the vehicle you are working on. Step 2. Remove the old shocks. For the upper stud mount, you should use a vice grip to clamp onto the unthreaded portion of the stud so that the nut can be loosened. Remove the nut. Then, remove the washer and bushing. You may need to spray penetrating oil before loosening the bolt on the lower mount. Step 3. Prepare the new OffGrid Nomad shocks. Install the washer with the larger hole first, and then the bushing with the piloted end pointing towards the top of the shock. Step 4. Install the new OffGrid Nomads front shocks. Due to the gas charge inside the shock, you may need to compress it so that the mounting holes align. Quickly slip the shock into the upper mounting hole as it will start to extend. You may need to use a pry bar to adjust the shock so that the bolt will line up with the lower mounting hole. Insert the leftover bushing with the piloted end facing downward towards the vehicle frame, and then the washer that has the smaller hole. Next, install the nut and then tighten it until it can no longer spin. Then tighten the lower mounting bolt with a ratchet. Torque to vehicle manufacturer's specifications. And step 5, install the wheel back onto the vehicle. Since shocks should always be replaced in pairs, repeat these steps for replacing the shock on the other end of the axle. Next, prepare the vehicle for installing the new rear shocks. Step 1. Remove the old shocks. Step 2. Install the new OffGrid Nomads rear shocks. You may need to push upward to collapse the shock so that the lower mount aligns with the vehicle's mounting hole. Torque the lower mount to vehicle manufacturer's specifications, and the upper mount if there is clearance to do so. Repeat these steps for the shock on the other end of the rear axle. Now you are ready for the ultimate in exploration and adventure with OffGrid Nomads Overlanding shocks. If you have technical questions, please call Gabriel's toll-free Answer Garage tech line at 800-999-3903 or visit us online at gabriel.com.